Hi guys, so sorry about the shirt's a bit ripped up, but this is not the main issue here. The main issue is that we had an accident and the boys stepped on it, and is done, is finished. I mean, as you can see, it's finito. Now I'm gonna fix it so you guys can see. Yeah, got a normal solder iron, and I'm using the solar energy, of course. Don't want to waste any money. So basically, you have a cheap solder iron, heat it up on level 2, and then when you're done with this, yeah, put this bugger nicely together, yeah, and you have to just make sure that it's proper together. It's not that easy because it's a big it's broken big time, but it is possible, right? And then just warm it up, yeah, not too much because otherwise you're gonna punch a hole on it. That's it. It takes some skills. It's not that straightforward, but bit by bit, it should be, not it should be, it will be possible. Now that gap is very, very big, so that gap is huge, unfortunately. And I just want to give you the idea. Of course, you can spend them more time at home and figure it out, but it's definitely possible. I've done it several times, and it does the job. I mean, it's not gonna be like new, but it's gonna be good enough for you to save it. Plastic obviously melts together. If you would have a little bit of material to put on it, like almost like a plastic solder, then that would definitely help, but I haven't got it, so I just have to do it the Gangnam style. Yeah, as you can see, this is more or less finished. Now this is much more difficult because of the gap, but we will be able to do that as well with a little bit of patience. Yeah, you see, it's nicely coming together now. Obviously, be careful, don't you burn your fingers. Yeah, you see, there is a little bit of gap, but of course we're gonna put water in it, so we're gonna see where the problems are, and then we're able to do a bit more. That gap is huge, so I need to chew off a little bit of material from here. And now this bit, this is a very important bit here, because this is giving the whole thing the strength. So it does take a little bit of practice, but I've done several of them, so you might fail in the beginning, but don't let yourself put down. That's quite alright. Give it a bit more here. Yeah. And then after that we're gonna watch the tutu train, yeah? Yeah, just like that. Bit more. Right, okay, now Let's check it out. Put in some rainwater, which I'm using for the closetta. It's a fine. She wasn't cleaning it. Closetta. It's a fine. Pricks the finger, like that. Come on. Now I don't want to waste much more water, but as you can see, this is perfectly fine. So no water is coming out, but I can't for the side. I need to pick it up a little bit. There is a whole example, so we're not quite done yet. But as you can see, this is basically ready to go. So an amazing fix for an amazing man, és most letépem az inget magamról.